Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni page but subscribe ya u Anton.
Arlak arpun riu hajar sanspa an riu funyongot kavot hami kalaya ki banjit ya arngut ki MP Lok Sabha na Shillong bat natura hakat khandai trik uyayong yathu CEO gazala u Dr. BDR Tiwari sakilat patai khubor hadien galjingalang. U CEO uyathu ba ki nong thavot gazala ki badan ha Shillong Parliamentary Constituency kadan komba khat saulak sauspa khatwengot. Kinong thavot kat ba katura kadan pralak arpun riu hajar sispa asan pun raungot katkum kathup kabalayo na katnat election gajala ha Shillong ki bakhambun kinong thavot ki dei ki kinthai ki balakot sha kan nyolak khan riu hajar riu spa sau phulai ngot katba ki senrang ki don riu lak prapulai hajar nyo spa riu pun riu ngot hatura pat ki senrang ki khambun bat ki don saulak khatsan hajar nyo spa asan phuai ngot karba ki kinthai ki don saulak Shipho hajar sauspa saungot ka jingdon ki jakat thavot lani ki polling station habaro kawai gajala kalong lai hajar sanspa khat artli ki don ru lai hajar sanspa khat artli ki machine thavot EVM na lor lai for person kilapan up lapa habadon kanu ga jingthot u chief electoral officer gajala u Dr. BDR Tiwari ulaong bakatan election kalapet ngor pat pikir bha ya ka jingalap election jo ki sangsan perthai ki ba pher khamtam ki bala wanra ya ka jing penshet ha kabaya dei bet ki bor pahara lapha sa phautli company ki CRPF bat kini ki arpo artli ki company lamang nak banta ka Shillong bat khat phratli ki company yakatura parliamentary constituency ulaong ba ka kanhun pahara election kala olong kabakhre banjuba habadon kanu ka jingjia bat kumju yakiba penkhen yakaan yalap election lani ka model code of conduct Kajing alap election jong kiseng san partai nakabanta ke election MP Lok Sabha kalakot no manta ka singibalang ka khanyo trek ha ka porsaw baji janmit kabala long sapu phra kanta haswa ka jing sedang thavot kaban long ha khat khandai trek uyayong ar hazar ar pusaw
4 p.m. We have total 2 Lok Sabha seats, 1 Silang ST which contain 36 assembly segments and 2 Tura ST which contain 24 assembly segments. There are 10 altogether candidates across the state and 6 in the Silang parliamentary constituency and 4 in the Tura parliamentary constituency. We are having total 22,26,567 total voters, out of which 10,99,517 male, 11,27,047 female and 3 third gender voters. So if we see the increase in voter that is 51,331 more voters in compared to last year's assembly election and 3,15,195 more voters in compared to previous Lok Sabha election 2029. We are having 633 average electors per voter. So first time voters they are 31,247. Total 11,720 PWD voters, 10,180 85 year plus voters, 5 overseas voters, 100 year plus voters are 341 and 3,884 service voters. Altogether we are having 3,512 polling stations, out of which 326 are urban and 3,186 are rural polling stations. So we are having total 88 polling stations, all women managed, and 60 model polling stations and 10 PWD managed polling stations. So total polling stations which are not totally accessible up to the motor vehicle number are 50 and we are having webcasting in 1,886 polling stations. Other polling stations will be covered through the video camera or micro observers and other ways. Out of total polling stations, 762 polling stations are P-2 polling stations where the polling parties are supposed to go 1 day in advance. So in all 762 polling stations, polling party has started yesterday on 17th and they reached in their respective polling station. And for other polling stations, which are around 2,750 P-1 polling station. All the polling parties are already dispatched and they are arriving in their respective polling stations. Out of total two parliamentary constituency, in 33 Rambrai assembly segment, 17 Namspong polling station is having 1,274 voters in Shillong, and in Tura, that is 12 Chatmari North Tura assembly segment and having 1,324. So that is the largest PS as per number wise, and with the lowest number in the Shillong, 82 Kamsing polling station in Amlaran, where the polling party had to go by vote, and 56 Portage Sim in the Rani Kor, and both are having 36 voters. And in Tura parliamentary constituency, Nari Creek polling station in William Nagar having 85 voters is the lowest polling station in numbers. So we are having 133 polling stations altogether in network shadow areas, and total 409 polling stations are vulnerable and 29 are critical. 187 polling stations are bordering Assam and 140 polling stations are bordering Bangladesh. 128 polling parties are reaching to polling stations through the state of Assam. As per area wise, if you see the West Shillong Parliament assembly segment in the Shillong, it is having only 2 square kilometer area, and Mausan Route is the largest in area wise, having 1530 square kilometer. So as per the assembly segment wise, Dalu is having the smallest number and Maulai is having the largest number of voters. Gender ratio of the electors in this 2024 elections final roll is 1025 and EP ratio is 649. Voting in the previous Lok Sabha elections, it was 71.42, which was more than national average, and out of which 65.48% voting was in the Shillong and 81.38% voting was in the Tura parliamentary constituency. So we have distributed the total number of the voter information slips to all the voters, and 2030 accessible VIS also with the braille features has been distributed to the visual impaired, and voter guide has been distributed to 4,59,573 households. So as per the home voting facility is concerned, so total 21,900 eligible voters we are having in state, and out of which 10,180 senior citizens more than 85 years age and 11,072 PWDs. Out of which total 4,619 electors has opted for home voting. And breakup is 2,387 senior citizens and 2,232 PWDs electors have voted from home. So election duty certificate has been provided to the government official and staff on election duty who will cast their vote on the EVM at polling station where they are deployed on polling day, which will be tomorrow on 19th, and total 14,048 polling personnel have been deployed to all 3,512 polling stations. So 40 companies cases were there, the election related FIR, so that already been followed up and most of the cases have been concluded. So and only few cases still in proceeding in court. So whatever case has come to our knowledge, all the necessary measures and steps have been ensured through the police and through the administrative machinery in all those cases. So far we are very conscious. We are having the social media monitoring and other teams also in place in police and in the civil administration CEO's office also, and we are having close watch over the social media related things also. So, and we had meeting at the different level with the political parties and stakeholders, and we ensured that these elections are going in very peaceful manner. Moreover, in respect to the voting percentage is concerned and public participation is concerned, all the necessary measures and steps has been taken up by involving the communities at the grassroots level. We identified the low turnout polling stations and ACs, and accordingly sweep activities has been planned widely, and the community-based sweep strategies like the involvement of community through the different process, the local announcement system of the Usongot and Duldoka and the Garo Hill and Khasi Hill we have taken up. Moreover, the green initiatives are very much concerned in respect to these Lok Sabha polling are concerned, and as per the Election Commission's instruction to make these elections almost as least as less plastic or plastic free and more green. So needful steps has been taken up, and in each and every polling stations 2 number of saplings will be planted by first 2 voters, and the cleaning drive in the polling station we have made all the needful arrangement. So moreover, 97% polling stations are covered with the drinking water, and similar number with the rain. It is the permanent one, and similarly wherever there is missing, so temporary arrangement has been made and placed to ensure 100% assured minimum facilities. Similarly, in case of the electricity also, where all the places not having the permanent connection, the temporary connections have been provided in coordination with the NECL. So other facilities, furniture, toilet, signages are also been arranged in almost all the polling station, and any gap has been arranged through the temporary measures. So state of Meghalaya is fully ready for peaceful conduct of the Lok Sabha elections 2024, and through you I would like to appeal all the voters to come forward to cast their vote, and no voter to be left